My dad is asleep. I'm going to make him invisible with this invisible spray. Ha 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 swa 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 raffle 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 raff. Yes, I made my dad invisible. Now everyone is going to get scared of my dad because of him being invisible.
Hey Lolly, can I get a glass of milk?
Sure lime, coming right up. Her is sure milk li. Lime, where are you?
I'm right here. Thanks for the milk. Excuse me.
Oh my god, IT sag ghost. Run for your lives.
A ghost? What ghost?
Whoa. Mom. Why are you screaming?
Summer. W-have ghost in the house.
A ghost? In this house? Don't be ridiculous. There is no ghosts in this house.
I am not being ridiculous. There really is a ghost in this house.
What a ghost? Lolly? I don't see any ghosts.
Say what I mean. There really is a ghost in this house.
Okay, I believe you. We better get out of this house. I will get Evil Summer, while you get the others.
Og Summer.
Wait. Where is everybody going?
That was the funniest prank I have ever done to my dad, making him invisible.
Come on, Evil Summer. We need to get out of this house right now, because we have a ghost inside the... Wait a minute. What is that in your hand? Invisible spray? Hold the phone. Stop the clock. There is no ghost in this house. You used the invisible spray to make my dad invisible to scare us off. Oh, I can't believe you, Evil Summer. That's it. I'm telling Mom about this. Come with me, Evil Summer.
No.
Mom, there's actually no ghost in this house. Evil Summer has been using this invisible spray to make our dad invisible by scaring us off.
What? Oh my god. Evil Summer. I can't believe med your dad invisible by using the invisible spray. Ha 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 soy off. Ta det sagt att vi fungerar väl som är. Ta det är fungerst think you have ever done på your father. Hey. Der går til Anria, at disen te for ny, at IT. For indko uraking i vild sommer, jo er ned for AV-æg.
Jeg ved dem, Mom.
Me too. Now go upstairs to your room right now and stay there until we say you can come out.
No. Anas for your i vild sommer, for making your dad invisible by using the invisible spray 2 skarus of. You are ned for 2VX. Give a me that invisible spray and go to your room right now.
You heard her, Evil Summer. Do it, now. Don't worry, Mom. I know what will break my dad's invisibility. We could try throwing a bucket of water on him. It always helps break the invisibility.
Great idea, Summer. You go fill the bucket up with the water. We'll get rid of the invisible spray. Anus Anria, you can resume your activity in your room.
Ok. Thanks, Mom. Later, after Lolly got rid of the invisible spray, and after Summer filled up the bucket with water.
Og Summer, you er fat her og LB ind her i en ny minute. When yell now, don't be bygget offer it on him. And IT will make him visible again.
Got it, Mom. Here he comes.
Hello, anybody in here?
No.
Hey. What did you throw water on me for?
Dad, you were invisible by Evil Summer's invisible spray.
What? Oh my god. I can't believe I got invisible by Evil Summer by using the invisible spray. He is so grounded for this.
Don't worry about IT. WLR er dygrundet i vild summer for 2VX. And Darko C. Anrier for AVX for indko uraking i vild summer. And allerede du godt rid of the invisible spray.
Oh good.
Oh, and when you were invisible, we thought you were a ghost.
Wait, you thought I was a ghost when I was invisible? Oh don't be ridiculous. You know that there's no ghosts in this house.
Yeah. A ny vis. Let's all about the whole thing and resume our activities. Shall W.
Yeah. Good idea, Mom.
Agree with you, Summer. I'm going to go back to relaxing on the couch.
I will go relax on the couch with you, Lime.
And I'm going to return to my room to play on the Nintendo Switch.